Ground teams, this is Control. What's the situation in the financial
I should have called
district?
Yuri. This construction site's about as legit as the watches they sell in Times Square.
I don't have evidence for a warrant. You go in, you're on your own.
What else is new?
Whoop his ass! I can't reach him! Boss wants your head! Lucky shot! Up down, I'll go easy. It's Spider-Man! Okay, we were ready! I can't touch him if he's in the air! Shut your mouth, permanent! Stop him! Boss wants your head! You're done now!
You guys are late. Don't worry. I got plenty of face kicks left.
Gonna crush your skull! Don't let him get you airborne! You're gonna have a bad day! That's Davey!
Really? More guys? I don't have this many friends.
Are you kidding me? You're done now!
Spider-Man, I checked records and that site's been getting deliveries from cartel front companies.
They're moving drugs, huh? Not for long.
What are we supposed to do against that? You're done for! Bring them down already!
Oh, great, more of them. Guys, Fisk isn't here. You could have just bailed.
What the hell was that? We'll take you alive or dead. This doesn't care. Spread out! I hate this! This'll wrap I'll teach you the wolf back! How'd he do that? Can't let him beat us! Stay away from his gadget! Heads up! Clear! That's just wrong. It's the end for you. We can't let him beat us. Austin, I'm tired of you. So am I.
Reinforcements again? This is only acceptable if you're all showing up in clown cars.
Like him!
You got this covered.
Got it! What it takes to stop this guy! What the hell is this? You're gonna have a bad day! It's a trap! Boss wants your head! This is a ball! This stuff made us! Let's finish him off! Locked and loaded.
Yuri, I got a bunch of incapacitated criminals and designer narcotics all wrapped up and waiting for you.
Great, I'll just consider this an anonymous tip.